That mountain over there looks like it's Blanca Peak. It's like 14,300 feet in the air. We've been hanging right at about 7,500 feet for the last, I don't know, 30 miles or so. So yeah, we're slowly getting east. We're still trying to make it to Lamar. I don't know if I'm going to or not. Next major junction will be when we meet I-25 at the Wallenberg or something. Yeah, there'll be fuel at that exit, at that area, and yeah. Probably could have made that, but damn it. I don't know if we're gonna have another pass to do, or if we're gonna kind of go dive around them, or what. But we're kind of aiming right for these mountains here. So I'm gonna keep it here for just a couple minutes to see what we're doing here. Must be coming to town again. Depending on what's available to eat, I may eat dinner after when I get gas. Like if there's a Love's or something that's got like a Carl's or something, yeah, we might go that route. Still at 3/8, so I mean it's only what 35 miles, so we good. All right. I may stay at this. I think I'm going to stay at this No Name. It's only like $60 a night tonight, and then plan on having just breakfast either at like Dodge City or something like that. Especially if I go that route. Find a small cafe in Dodge City. 10,000 feet again. Summit 94.13, 6% for 4 miles. Is that the old pass there? Man, oh man. Okay, I'm at the Loves in, what was it, Wensenberg or something like that? I don't know. It's where 160 meets 25. Now we're going to take this Colorado State Highway. That's an exit up, actually. Because we need to, we're going to Lamar. I thought about trying to get a road like maybe down towards, where is that, in northern New Mexico, like Trinidad. But I'm like, you know what, we'll go this way. So, unfortunately, all they had was a damn Subway and Godfather's Pizza. Now, don't get me wrong, I've got nothing against Godfather's Pizza. Oh, you finally started moving. Oh. Yeah, well, you started moving because of that. That I don't mind. Alright, now we gotta head this way. I had come this way at first thinking, okay, there'd be gas here. I was wrong. There was no gas. So I had to backtrack and go there. Which kind of ticked me off a little bit because there was a Carl's Jr. in town. I could have gotten dinner there and oh well. That was originally the plan until I saw, well, Godfather's and Subway. He's like, yeah, I don't want either. Wallet. Keys. Okay, we good. And for some reason, though, at that one, my Bank of America card didn't want to. I don't know if the one I had a card reader that wasn't working, or had the chip reader that wasn't working, because I was able to go contactless with my debit card to get gas. All right, 72 to La Junta. Yeah, may get dinner there. I don't know. We'll see what they got. Because I don't want to eat that late if I can help it. Okay, anything interesting happens, I'll bust in. If not, we'll see you when we get closer to Lookout, to the hotel. You ever hear of a turn signal, Mr. Subaru? Alright, anything interesting happens, I'll break in. If not, we'll see you when we get to the hotel room. Yeah, that looks cool and terrifying at the same time. The good thing is I'm kind of going like 12:30, 1 o'clock, and the nastiness is like at 10 o'clock. So, should be okay. What's it say? Okay, that's that. They got you going this way. I mean, it's all north of US 50 right now, and it looked like the radar was saying everything's going to move north. So. Hopefully that's right. But in any case, I'm going to stop to get some fuel here in a minute anyway. As we head into town, I'm going to get some fuel. Right lane is closed. Yeah. Almost wish I would have gotten fuel here, or gotten a room here. But yeah. You know, it's another hour. As long as everything stays north of 50, I'm straight. There's a Carl's. Unfortunately. I didn't realize Safeway came out this far east. I think they're part of the Albertson family anyway, but yeah. Hoping it stays north. man.
How are you?
What's up, buddy? All right, gas it up. Just stay over there, please. Dipsticks in, yep. She needed a quarter again. Which is not surprising. I figured it was going to either need it today or tomorrow. With the fact that 2 Phillips ago it was right at the, you know. Well, no, it was first filled this morning. So, yeah. Alright. That was neat talking to that dude from Kansas. That was kind of cool. He's going the other way. And we got hyper flash going on again. Yeah, but the ABS light went out, so I don't know what's going on with this damn thing. Let's try to get over there hopefully before we get too wet, get this thing cooled off and covered. Stay north of the highway, please. Okay, yeah, we'll pick this up later. I'm just hoping the rain stays north. Why are we bearing right in, we'll see in a little bit.